Guys, my name's Farty Boy and welcome to my third video of Lucky Tuesday, or otherwise known as Video Tuesday, which means I upload a lot of videos today. It'll always happen on YouTube Tuesdays or Wednesdays. I don't know, but this is the first time I'm doing it, so don't offend me. Let's go to Australia today, and the last time I played this, I got achievements for what is it? Record breaker for breaking the world's best time in the game, like for one of the CPU, but I don't think I actually broke the record for everybody in the world. Actually, I think, wait, who even plays this game? It's probably so epic. Anyway, wait, I already know how to do that. Why would it tell me how to do that? So I'm trying my best today to show you that I have completed it, even though you guys already know, because I showed you in the last one. Except I haven't completed this one yet, but I have, except I just want to show you guys proof that I've actually completed it with no help. Yeah, and I'll make sure the next time I play this game, it will be uploaded to YouTube instead of me just playing it and then you guys seeing what happened. Yeah, so this is actually happening now, but probably not to you guys since it's not. Yeah. Really? Oh no, no, nah. That stuff sucks. Oh, come on. I don't know what the... No, don't you dare. Yeah, I take the second place. But I'm aiming for first. I will get first. Is that an epic fail from the other guy before? Crap, nah. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Damn it. At least he's not first anymore. Wait, what? How did you... Wait, you survived that? I had to go off the tracks. How dare you? No! Special flip. I just like special flips. It just looks so epic whenever I get a boost. I just love these games, like racing games. I'm not a fan of this, like racing games, but somehow this made me a fan of racing games. Same as Forza Horizon. Like, oh my god. And have you heard about the new news about Minecraft? No, not about my channel, but about like Minecraft 4K. Can't wait until that comes out. Can't you guys just wait? Like, oh wait, someone's here. Sorry guys. Okay guys, I'm so sorry about that. Oh no. Sorry guys about that little mistake in the middle. And sorry about the little pause. It was my mom coming from grocery shopping. Yep, at this time. Oh no, no. I can't make that. It's impossible. Well, it's possible, except I don't know how to do it. At least this actually is pretty good. I'm gonna say it's better than most other games. Like, this fully convinced me for racing. But no, it was Mario Kart. Mario Kart can never be beaten. That was the real reason why I'm playing this game. I miss those times with Mario Kart. I remember playing the first... I have all the Mario Karts. Except my consoles at my NANs, like the Nintendo Entertainment System, the Game Boy Advanced. I miss them all. My first console was the Nintendo Entertainment System. It was awesome, but then I had the Wii, was my second. And the first game I ever played was Super Mario Bros. Oh, I actually made it. What a coincidence. Okay, don't always do flips, guys. Oh, if you're lucky it's not the tree time. I hate that tree lock. No! Okay, guys. One last time. No! No! Guys, I have got first place. I'll show ya. I have came first though. I got proof. See, guys? Hidden force first. First. I mucked it up at that end. Oh, God. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I like that red text up. Don't you guys? Anyway, that's it for this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you did. And as always, peace out. Like, seriously, peace out. Bye.